Good morning. Today we are going to discuss regarding the question and answer fourth year BSc Nursing Community Health Nursing. This whole question University asked in 2014 to 2020 time. We'll discuss some of the point also. In first chapter, Community Health Nursing, fourth year, first chapter mainly focus on what is community health nursing, what is a community health nursing process, what is community health, some of the approaches, problem solving, epidemiological, then what is a community identification and community survey. So we'll see which all of the question university asked in last 2014 to 20. I think except one or two times in all exam university asked at least one question in 15 mark or 5 mark. So we can predict at least one question this year also. So be ready. In September 2020 and September 2014, 5 mark question is scope of community health nursing. One thing you should remember whenever you are writing the community exam, try to write one introduction. If you know definition, please write definition. If disease condition asked, please write incidence, epidemiological triad. In other all condition, definition and exact content. If you are sure that answer is right, please underline and write one conclusion also. We'll see what is the scope of community health nursing. Already I think all of them have the well experience in community field. Community health nursing include the health promotion, illness prevention and restoration of health of individual, family and community. It can work in different places such as in home care, nursing home, school health service, old age homes, industries and palliative nurse. We see some of the scope of community health nursing. One is industrial nursing, domiciliary nursing, mental health nursing, school health nursing, MCH and family planning services. Now this MCH and family planning working under the PHSC or CHSC, nursing care, home care, geriatric care, rehabilitation and palliative nurse. These are the main scope of community health nursing, and nowadays one new scope also begin MLHP. Then second question is September 2019, 5 mark, primary and secondary prevention. Actually this question not include this prevention is not included in fourth year, but September 2019 they asked this question. So mainly 4 preventive measures is there. If you are studying in second year, first chapter you can see the preventive measure. Mainly 4. First one is a primary prevention. Then another one is a primary prevention. Third one is a secondary. And last one is the tertiary prevention. So we'll see what is a primary prevention. It is action taken prior to the onset of disease which remove possibilities that a disease will ever occur. It is prevent the possibility of the disease. It is a pre-pathogenesis phase of the disease. It is a pre-pathogenesis phase of the disease. It is a positive health attitude. There is a 2 strategies there. One is a population and another one is a high risk. Population strategy is preventing the disease in populations. How we can prevent the population strategy? How we can prevent the disease through the population? First, we need to begin these preventive measures in the family or in individual. High risk also we are mainly focused on prevent the chronic and acute disease condition. It also focus on individual, then family, then community, then society. So next prevention is the secondary prevention. Action which halt the progress of a disease at incipient stage and prevent its complication. It's nothing but diagnosis and treatment and prevent its complication. That is a secondary prevention. early diagnosis and adequate treatment. That is a basic concept of the primary prevention and secondary prevention. Other than this, another two terms will come. One is the primordial and another one is the secondary prevention. Tertiary prevention. Tertiary prevention is nothing but rehabilitation, and primary prevention is mainly we are focused on before begin any of the disease. If there are any of the disease have chance, we are preventing that disease in before occurring. That is a concept of primordial. Okay. Then we'll see another question, and that is 15 mark question. It asked in 2019 April and 2018 April 2 type within 1 year interval. Define community health nursing and explain community health nursing process with suitable example. Actually, in 2018, it asked in community health nursing process, and April 2019, both of them. Define community health nursing and explain community health nursing process with a suitable example. Already you know what is the community health nursing definition. Please try to write one paper if you know the community health nursing. Okay, here the definition is according to WHO expert committee. Community health nursing is a special field of nursing that combine the skill of nursing, public health, and some phases of social assistance and functions as a part of the total public health program for the promotion of health, the improvement of the condition in the social and physical environment, rehabilitation of illness and disability. And next one, community health nursing process. It is a systematic, organized method of planning and providing quality of care in individual, family, and community. Or it is a problem solving approach. There is a different step will come. First one, establishing and maintaining working relationship, assessment of health needs and health problems, setting objective, planning and implementing interventions, evaluation of the intervention. There is a first different step is the first one is the nursing process assessment. In assessment, commonly will be assess. We need to begin the assessment through the first geographical area. Then geographical area, we should have one road map. That areas we need to assess, that pulse of areas, and which all of them factors affecting in that area that we should become to know. Then we are coming to the family. So assessment, then nursing diagnosis. We are diagnosing which all of them problems is affecting. Is it any disease affected already? Prevalence and incidence both. Then we are planning how to prevent disease conditions or any of the problems. Then implementation, and we are evaluating this implementation after the all activities. That is a nursing process step. So one thing you should remember, there is a 90% chance to ask this question. So already you are studying in first year onwards nursing process, but in here we need to write or we need to apply community aspect in the nursing process. And how you can write one example. Just you imagine whenever you in your posting which are the cases you are identified. At least otherwise you write one case study. Which case study you are taken in your community posting. That case study you can apply in here. That is one of best things. You can apply that case study because already if you have thorough in case study. So apply that case study in with the example topic. Okay. Then another one is the April 2019. This is also 5 mark. Epidemiological approach. You know what is epidemiology? Epidemiology is defined as it is a determinants, distribution and determinant of health related states or events in a population and application of this study to solve any of the health problems. So there's a different aim is that we are already studying in second year BSc nursing third chapter epidemos logos. to study among the people. That is epidemiology. There is a different method also is there. So here epidemiological investigation of health problems involve the two basic approach. First one is asking questions and making comparison. There is a different concept is our epidemiological approach. It's basically on what are the problems affecting the community that we are identifying. That different method we can use, but one thing you should remember whenever the epidemiological method writing, there is some question should come: when, where, how. When, where, how. If you get that solution of that problems, that answer, that epidemiological approach will complete. Or time, place, person. Okay, that is the basic of the epidemiological approach. So we are trying to solve the problems regarding asking question and making comparison. So another next one is this September 2018. Define community health. Explain the scope and principles of community health nursing. This 15 mark question. 2 plus 13 is equal to 15. That is a score. So we need to write correctly in community health. Community health is a branch of public health which focus on people and their role as a determinant of their own and other people health is contrast of environmental health which focus on physical environmental and impact the people health. We'll see the definition. We need to by heart this definition pakka. What is the community health? Environmental, social, economical resources to sustain emotional and physical well-being among people in way that advance their aspiration and satisfy their needs in their unique environment. This is WHO definition. I repeat: environmental, social, and economical resource to sustain emotional and physical well-being among people in ways that advance their aspirations and satisfy their needs in their unique environment. Next, what is the principles of the community health nursing? There is a 15 to 20 principles. First one, recognized needs and functioning within the total health program. Clearly defined objective and purpose of its service. Third one, an active organized citizen group of the community group is an integral part of the community health program. Fourth one, community health nursing service are available to the entire community. Community health nursing recognizes the family and community as a unit of service. Health education and counseling for the individual, family, and community are the integral part of the community health nursing. Participation in planning relating to goal for the attainment of health. Eighth one, the community health nurse should qualify as a full-fledged nurse. Ninth one, based on the needs of the patients, and there should be a proper continuity of service to the patient. 10th one, periodic and continuous appraisal and evaluation of health situation. 11th, the community health nurse should function or serve as an important member of the health team. 12th one, there should be provision for qualified nurse to make supervision for community health service. 13th, the community health nurse direct the patient to appropriate community resource for necessary financial and social assistance. Last one, should not accept gift or bribes from the patient. These are the principles of community health nursing. And next one, the community health nurse should not belong to one particular section or political group. Community health agency should provide a continuing education program for nurse. 17th, the nurse assume responsibility of their own continuing professional development through acquiring higher and higher education and forming and strengthening the professional association. 18th, the community health nursing service should develop proper guidelines in maintaining records and reports. 19th, there should be a proper facilities and job condition. Last one, The community health nurse should maintain professional relationship with all leaders in the community and maintain ethics at all time. So please do one thing, at least try to study one 15 point, then you can try write 15 or in between 10 to 50. So at least 15 point please thorough regarding these principles of community health nursing. Then next question, September 2015, quality of the community health nurse, 5-mark question. Do you have any idea regarding what is the quality of nurse? We'll see what is the qualities. Before that, just I mentioned definition. A field of nursing that combine the skill of nursing, public health, and some phases of social assistance, and function as a part of the total public health program for the promotion of health, improvement of condition in the social and environment, rehabilitation of illness and disabilities. Which are the points we need to remember? First one is a caregiver, the nurse and community health nurse. The main function is the caregiver. Second one is the health educator. It will come under the primary prevention. Counselor, primary prevention. Resource persons, maximum resource we need to arrange, and we need to care, we need to provide proper care. Sensitive observer, that is one of the important things. Actually in epidemiological approaches begin from the sensitive observer. And another one advisor, then another one planner. The nursing process basic is the planning. Then care manager, medical assistants, administrator, and researcher. In our last, in fourth year topic, last, it is a research in community health nursing. Why it include? Because the community and nursing is a ongoing developing process in every day. That's why we are include problem solving approach, evidence based approach, epidemiology. This everything is based on research. So we are identifying, we are trying to solve, and we are researching the new things in every year, every time, every second. We can see some of the diagram also. What is our role? Care provider, educator, advocate, manager, collaborator, leader, researcher. So which are the function, which are the role of nurse? First one, caregiver, health educator, counselor, resource person, sensitive observer, advisor, planner, care manager, medical assistants, administrator, and researcher. Next one, September 2014, differentiate between the problem solving approach and evidence based approach. What is the first one? A systematic problem solving approach is nothing but it is a systematic approach to defining the problem and creating a vast number of possible solutions without judging the solution. It is a cognitive processing directed at achieving a goal where no solution method is obeyed to the problem solver. So it is a problem solving method. We are solving, if it may be in community or wherever, we are trying to solve that problem in systematic manner. There is a, you can see one circle, problem definition, problem analyzing, generating possible solution, analyzing solution, selecting the best solution, implementing the solution, and evaluation and revision. Next one is the evidence-based approach. It is a practitioner combine well-researched intervention with the clinical experience and ethics and client preference and cultural to guide inform the delivery of treatment and service. It is based on evidence. What we are done in practice or clinical trial based, we are forming evidence based approach. Practitioner combine well researched intervention with the clinical experience and ethics and client preference and culture to guide and inform the delivery of treatment and service. There is a step you can see in the evidence based approach. First one, ask. Second one, acquire. Then third one, appraise, analyze, apply and audit. Then next question is the May 2017. This is the last question. Historical development of community health nursing in India and discuss the scope of community health nurse. This scope we are already discussed in previously. So here I am focusing only historical development. There's a different aspect is there in historical development. Here they are asked only in India community health nursing development. Okay. So there are some of the main point we need to remember. INC is begin in 1947, TNA 1908 and Mental Health Act 2017, and under the Ayushman Bharat program, two community health nursing practices begin. One is a mid-level health providers and another one multi-skilling of frontline health workers. We'll see our main heading. 1920 lady health visitor started and training is begin. 1926 lady reading health school is begin. 1946 two college of nursing is begin, one in Delhi and another one is Vellore. 1953 All India Institute of Hygiene and Public Health Calcutta begin. 1959 public health nursing was included in GNM program. 1952 ANM have been trained to provide primary health service in the villages under the supervision and guidance of lady health visitor. 1978 ANM are designated as a multi-purpose health worker female, and the health visitor training is stopped and the existing health visitor are redesignated as a health supervisor female. 1962 community health nursing is one of the specialty area in Master of Nursing education program. This is also some other point. 1918 preparation of nursing workers for public health work started in Delhi. 1930 Calcutta All India Institute of Hygiene and Public Health was started. 1931 Maternal and Child Welfare Bureau begin. 1939 Indian Tuberculosis Association. 1943 Health Survey and Development Committee. That's nothing but Sir Joseph Bore Committee. 1918 preparation of nursing workers for public health work. 1930 Calcutta All India Institute of Hygiene and Public Health. 1931 Maternal and Child Welfare Bureau. 1939 the same we are told. 1943 1952 Community Development Program. 1954 National Water Supply and Sanitation Scheme. 1955 National File Area Control Program. 1958 National Malarial Control Program. 1959 Mudaliar Committee. 1961 Mudaliar Committee submitted report. 1962 Central Family Planning Institute. 1971 MTP Act. 1973 Multi-Purpose Health Workers Scheme. 1975 India is declared free from smallpox. 1977 Rural Health Scheme. 1978 Health for All by 2000 AD Almata Declaration. 1982 National Health Policy. 1985 Universal Immunization Program. 1992 CSSM Program. 1995 Pulse Polio Immunization Program. 1996 RCH. 2000 National Population Policy. 2002 National AIDS Prevention Control Policy. 2003 launching of ART center at metro centers. 2004 NTCP included DOTS, directly observed treatment short course. 2007 revision of national population. 2008 and revised in 2009 swine flu awareness program and control program. These are the historical development of community health nursing. You can add more point. And this two questions also we can expect this year. One is a community identification. Community identification, nothing but we are identifying which are the health problems facing in the community. That main basic is the assessment. Then community survey is a survey method. Here also we are identifying the health problem through the survey method. We are preparing questionnaire. We are first assessing problem, then making questionnaire or some of the research tools, then analyzing, and last interpreting the result, and we are evaluating. Okay, these are the first chapter question. Already university asked in last 2014 to 2020. So all fourth year students, be ready for this question and study all topic. Best of luck. Thank you.